This place looks familiar. I'm back at the airport. I'm on my way to Saskatoon Expo. This will be my first time over there, so I don't know what's going on. That's not a mountain. All right, it is bright and early on Saturday morning, the first day of the show. I am now heading to the grounds to get to work and get this place started so we can do Saskatoon right.
Maybe not for like.
I was like, oh, I'm stuck. Yeah. Saskatchewan is in the province next door, so it brought a lot of Alberta creators over to Saskatchewan for this show. It was nice to be able to go to a con that actually had people that I knew and that I was familiar with. So it was great to be able to chat with them and go and visit all their great setups and see all their wicked creations getting into a new audience that I'm not familiar with. How's it going? Day one is complete. SaskExpo. I can't even pronounce the name. I'm just so tired. SaskExpo. Day one is in the books. I just got back from a lovely evening with some fellow artists. Had a great old time and some really good conversations. A lot of great creative talks and just hearing other artists going through the same kind of struggles as I am and trying to get their stuff out there, and a lot of work going into that. So it was refreshing to be able to hear other people going through the same kind of stuff that I am. But with that, I am just kind of chilling right now, and I'm going to be just watching a movie, and then I'm hitting the bed pretty hard and going back for another whirlwind for tomorrow. Hi, it is Sunday morning. I got a little bit of sleep. I woke up with a little bit of a headache right now, so I'm trying to fight past that. But I'm on my trek. I'm on my way to the con for the final day. Feeling hyped, feeling energized. I want to get this. I want to end this show on a high note. Let's make my final show of 2019 a big one. Let's kill it. end of another con comes the ride home. It was great to be in Saskatchewan for my very first SaskExpo, but it's time to hop onto that plane and jet over back to Calgary. But with every show that I go to, there's always one thing I gotta do, and that's check out the local poutine scene.
We lost all our pros, a lot of the pros from Panel 1 to that Library 5 library event.
And that's it for 2019. That was my last show of the year. I've learned a lot this past year doing cons. There's some things I gotta change going into the new year, and you'll be seeing a whole bunch of different stuff and a lot of new interesting things coming out from my side of the table in the next year. Just looking at the way the audience has changed in the past couple of years at cons, I know I gotta put out a lot new, more different stuff. You may disagree without the output that I've already put out there, but for me, it's not enough. And for me to survive and to grow as an artist, I've got to make some changes. So you'll be definitely seeing that in the next couple months. And the next time you see me at a show, it'll look completely different.